pray for me because hey, I have done, I have entered YouTube wahala. See what happened. I have been banned from going live officially. I've been banned from going live for now, temporarily. But this is what happened. So I was trying to upload a video. I want to try and show you the video. I'm going to share my screen on everything that happened. I was trying to upload a video on Restream because I've been trying to do this Restream thing. I have not done the Restream tutorial on my channel before. If you've been following me and been watching my videos, you know that I have not done any tutorial on Restream. So I was trying to test it on myself, on my channel first before giving the tutorial. So I was doing the screen recording and everything. Then this was the video that I used. This was the video I used. I don't want you to play much so that they will not violate. This was the video I used of my daughter talking and everything. You can see. So when I used this video, I edited it on CapCut and everything. The video went live for 2 minutes and I got this message. I got this message from YouTube immediately. I just discovered that YouTube has removed the channel from the live stream from my channel. As I'm speaking to you now, I'm on 14 days trial and you might not see my channel anymore. So what happened is, when I tried going live, this is the notification is sent to me. I'm going to put it here. This is notification is sent to me. So immediately I got this notification. This was the message that YouTube sent to me on my email. Immediately YouTube sends that they've already removed my content, that my content is going against their community guidelines. So I'm going to be sharing this thing with you. Then we think your content violates our child safety policy. Content that shows minor under the age of 13 live streaming without being visibly accompanied by an adult. I was actually in the video, but visibly not there. I'm just walking, but my daughter was using my phone to make a video. This was because I don't want to use any video from Instagram to do my Restream. I wanted to use my own video. That is the reason why I'm suffering now. Like this now, I don't even know what to do because even using somebody else's video, you get copyright. Using your own video, your child's video, anything, you will still have something. YouTube will have something to come up with that you have violated. It's in their policy, and I've went against it. I just pray that I'll be able to come out of this, or in the next 14 days, I'll lose my Google account. So immediately Google sends me a message that should confirm my age. This is the message. I'm going to read it out. Google needs to make sure you are old enough to use a Google account without a parent's supervision. So if you don't confirm your age within 14 days, your account won't work anymore. So what it means is that if I don't click on this confirm birthday within 14 days, my Gmail account will not work anymore. So what it means is that if my Gmail account is gone, my YouTube account is gone. So like this, I now clicked on the confirm Gmail. I'm going to follow you through the process of how I was doing it. I was doing it. Then this was the video of what I was doing. So when I got to this part where I was supposed to upload my documents, I was uploading the documents from my file because I already have my credentials on my file. So it was just easy. But YouTube was rejecting it. It was telling me, try again, make sure the image contains your ID, is in focus and is well lit. The ID was well lit and is in focus. I just clicked continue anyways and just went ahead with the thing. Then only for me to get a reply this morning. I'm doing this video. Today is 30th Saturday. I got a reply today from Google that my verification ID was not successful. My heart skipped because they now still reminded me again that if you don't confirm your birthday or verification within 14 days, my Google account will not work anymore. So I tried again. So when I tried again, I didn't do a screen record of that one, but I'm going to explain it. When I tried again, I did it the same way I was doing it, trying to upload again, re-upload, scan it and everything. But I saw that it was not working, so I had to use my camera. I had to upload directly from my camera. So I used my hand to hold my passport down and took a clear picture of it, and it accepted it after roaming for like 5 minutes, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It accepted it. So when it accepted it, I had to just like, okay, YouTube now told me that they will get back to me. It's my ID is in review and they'll get back to me in 3 days time. So I'm waiting for 3 days time to know if my account will still remain on YouTube, or my Gmail. This Gmail, I use it for mostly my personal stuff, my work, everything. I have so many things stored in this my Gmail, my Google Drive, my contacts, everything. In fact, all my social media accounts is linked to this Gmail. All my bank accounts is linked to this Gmail. So if I lose this Gmail, I lose everything. I don't know where I'm going to start from. Just like, I don't even know what to say again. So I just pray I don't lose this Gmail. I just pray. So I'm doing this video for you out there that want to use content to go live. You want to use Livestream content to go live. You're not using your face. You want to use maybe your kids playing and all that. Don't use it to go live. Don't use that video to go live. If you're a mother, maybe you don't want to use your face. Maybe you have a video of them playing and laughing and jiggling, and you want to use that video to go live. Don't try it. Don't try it. It goes against YouTube child policy and child safety. So please, I'm just doing it as a warning. And if you don't see my video again after 14 days, I will come back up. God, I don't even know what to say like this, but I just pray and pray. Just pray for me. Just say a word of prayer in the comment section that God, Google and YouTube should have mercy on me. Google and YouTube should have mercy on me. This video, I'm not going to edit it. I'm not going to edit it because I don't have strength now to create content. I don't have strength to edit any content. I have content on my CapCut I want to put out. I don't even have the motivation to edit that content and put it out. But this is just what is on my mind to do. I just said I should come here and put this video out there before it's too late for anybody that wants to make the same mistake. So let's see how it goes. I'll be seeing you hopefully in my next video.